Have you ever tried your hand at making money on the internet? It's not as simple as you think. So in this video, I'll show you how to do it in a way that no one else has ever seen before. But first, welcome to Money Intelligence, where we show you how to make money online in the simplest way possible. Please subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out on future videos. Don't forget to click on the notification bell so that anytime we release a new video on how to make money online, you will be the first to know and you will be able to start making things happen right away. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy it. Please don't be shy about leaving a comment down below if you have any concerns, questions, or thoughts regarding the video. Let's get back to the video now, shall we now? Today I'm going to show you how to get Bitcoin for free with no investment. Yes, that means nothing right away. It is not necessary to spend it all. All you need is an internet connection, some time, and patience, and you'll be well on your way to earning a lot of money. To make the dream a reality, make sure to follow each step. Many people believe that in order to make money with Bitcoin, you must first invest a large sum of money. That, however, is not the case. It's a definite no. You don't need to buy this expensive graphics card or any mining equipment. All you have to do is follow the simple instructions in this video. Take notes or follow every step that we go through to ensure that it is correct. And now we'll move on to the steps. Step 1 is to create a wallet, and Step 2 is to mine Bitcoin. Step 3 is to cash out your earnings. Step 1 is to make a wallet. So I'll show you some websites where you can create your own wallets. Based on trust and review sites, this is guaranteed safe. The first of these is Ledger.com. This website will now provide you with a physical Bitcoin wallet. You can pretty much say it's really secure now, because you won't be concerned that it will be hacked or attacked by a virus, because you'll only go online with your wallet to make a transaction and then go offline. But in any case, there are still other options available. Don't worry, you can go to Bitcoin.com or Binance.com, which are cryptocurrency exchange and trading platforms that also provide digital wallets for cryptocurrencies. So you can sign up for whichever of these websites you want, and you'll be able to access your wallet and get your wallet address. You can also go to Bitcoin.org. And personally, I would strongly recommend this platform to beginners. So go ahead and click the Choose Your Wallet button right here, and they'll ask you some questions, and for them to have you choose the wallet that is truly suitable for you. As you can see, they provide wallets for both mobile and desktop devices. They also provide hardware wallets, similar to the first website we visited earlier. In any case, simply select the device and operating system that you are currently using. Then, if you're a complete novice, simply select the New Criteria options. Simply select Control, Transparency, and Fees. And don't forget to read the description so you can better understand them. Then simply select 2FA or two-factor authentication for the features. The rest, well, you don't need it right now, but you will be able to see the wallet that they will recommend for you. As simple as that. So it makes no difference where you sign up and create your wallet. The most important thing is that you already have access to your wallet and your wallet address. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's return to the video. Step 2. To proceed to the next step, you must first mine Bitcoin at moobitcoins.com. This is the site where you will mine for Bitcoin. As you can see, when you arrive on the homepage, you'll have to use your wallet address to log in. They already have nearly 3,000 customers here, and they've mined so much Bitcoin that you'll be able to join in on the action as well. So don't be concerned. If you continue to scroll down, you will see the subscription plans for this platform. Other plans or subscriptions here, of course, must be purchased, and they will provide you with benefits based on how much you spend. But don't worry, you can mine for free on this platform as well. And that is why we are here. So, to begin mining, simply return to the top of the page and paste your wallet address right here. After that, you'll see a message asking if you want free Bitcoin mining, so simply click the Start button. You should now be able to see your dashboard, which displays your total balance as well as the Bitcoins you have generated in the last few days. You will also be able to see the hourly bounty, which is a bonus that is currently active and can be collected every hour. So go ahead and click that. After clicking the button, you'll see that you've already earned this amount of Bitcoin and that it has been transferred to your account. You only need to wait another hour to be able to claim this bonus again. Yes, bonus, because this isn't the main attraction here. So go ahead and click the Start Bitcoin Mining button right here, and you'll be redirected here, where you can see that the process is already underway. It will take up to 600 seconds or 10 minutes to complete. If you have already connected, you will notice that the timer has begun to run. Then you can see the speed of the mining process here. Bitcoin was also mined. If you look closely, you'll notice that this isn't all that much. But don't worry, because this amount will simply accumulate and eventually you'll earn a decent amount of Bitcoin here. The good news is that you will only have to wait 10 minutes. Essentially, your device is simply earning money for you. Keep in mind, however, that you should never close the mining window. If you close this, the amount you earn will not be assumed deleted. So once the timer runs out, the money you earn through this process will be automatically transferred to your wallet. Step 3 is to cash out your earnings. To withdraw your Bitcoins, simply click the Withdraw button at the top of the screen, right here. You'll now be able to see your wallet address, and you can enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to withdraw here. That's pretty much it. It's really that simple. Aside from the hourly bonus mentioned earlier, you can also earn some daily bonus here, so go ahead and click the Daily Bonus button at the top of the screen right here. You can now see the amount you earned from the daily bonus from Monday to Sunday right here. Your daily bonus is active as stated here. So go ahead and click it right now. Following that, it will show you how much you have earned from the daily bonus, just like it does for the hourly bonus. That has already been transferred to your account. Now, I'm going to be completely honest with you. Many people are purchasing these extremely expensive graphics processing units in order to mine Bitcoin, as well as plans and subscriptions from the platform. Because you are only using your browser, you cannot realistically expect to earn as much Bitcoin as that. But the thing is, if you just stick with it and keep doing what you're doing, you'll be able to earn a lot of Bitcoin in the long run. As a result, this is how you can mine Bitcoin for free. Make certain that you follow the steps exactly. Again, in order for this to work, you must take action. Don't forget to show some love by clicking the like button and commenting on how this works for you. Before we go, I'd like to remind you to make clicking a habit. More clicks equals more money, so subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, then hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.